And in every situation, as I said about financial leverage, it doesn't make any difference where you are in your life cycle. It is absolutely possible, and real estate is the only investment in which you can control infinitely more value than your net worth or your income. There's nothing else that really allows you to do that the way that real estate investing does. The part of real estate investing that gets lost a lot of times is the way that we create value. We, as investors, do something that's almost akin to alchemy. We take lead and turn it into gold. We take a property that's been foreclosed, it's been on the market for 8 months, it's been shown 70 times, the whole world's been drugged through this place, but we see it, and we see value, and we hold our hands up and say, I am committed to this project. And you go in with your vision, not somebody else's vision, you go in with your vision, you see the property, and this pound of lead with a little bit of razzle-dazzle and a little bit of effort from paying attention to the people that you hire and the way you go about doing the remodel becomes this asset over here that has multiple dollars in value from what you spent. Multiple times the hours invested that you've kept track of and charged to your project, as all good investors do. But we do it every day. We forget we do it. We don't really see that that's what we do sometimes. But what we are doing is changing that street and creating value for the people that are living there. We are changing that neighborhood because we're going to put another family in the neighborhood that needs a contribution for the neighborhood pool. We are creating value, and at the same time, we are turning lead into gold. No other profession, no other investment allows you to do that other than real estate investing. And what's really essential is that you do it with time flexibility. And this goes back to what I was talking about, having a JOB. I think a JOB is GOOD if you're going to be a beginning real estate investor, if you're going to be a seasoned real estate investor. Nobody knows more, I certainly do not know more about creative finance than Bruce. Todd Richards. People that are in this room know way more about it than I do. Bruce works and does creative financing separate from his job. Todd has been able to make creative financing, lease options, a part of what he does with his business model. Shuli buys properties and keeps them for long-term rentals. She has a real job. And what happens is the ability to have time flexibility changes the way you live your life.